So we start out today's video with this stunning color refresh. This one also features a bit of a haircut as well. Love it. This copper and blonde is just absolutely stunning. Such a gorgeous cut and color combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some summer 2023 hair transformations. Next up, we have the cutting of this bob haircut. Very nice. A little bit of a pink color going there towards the ends. And then we see someone adding an undercut to their bob style. Very nice shape and color for this undercut bob. Beautifully done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, looks like we have another cut refresh. The stylist is shaping the hair into more of a pixie. Adding in some color. Oh, beautiful. And this is more like a pixie bob style. I love the blonde coloring. So pretty. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Stylist cuts the hair down. Very nice shoulder length bob. Such an effortless, carefree style. And then we have someone with a pixie. She does have some hints of pink here. Oh, full on copper orange tone. Wow, now that is a spiky pixie. Loving the color, the baby bangs in front. nice carefree cool girl style. And then we have another color change. So the stylist did a nice ash blonde for the pixie. This color looks amazing on her. So pretty. Gorgeous. I love her makeup as well. And then we have a layered haircut transformation to a nice shaggy cut. Oh, I really like the shape and texture that the stylist is creating with this. And the shaggy cut with layers is one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing for this summer season. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Wow, this looks phenomenal with that color. So pretty.